Are you struggling to maintain your fitness and health amidst a busy lifestyle? Walking might seem simple, but did you know it can be a powerful tool to help you lose belly fat? In today's video, we're diving into a quick 15-minute walking routine you can do right at home to target stubborn belly fat. Whether you're a busy professional or just looking for a convenient way to stay active, this routine is designed to fit into your day easily and effectively. If you're struggling to stay healthy with a busy lifestyle, the Fresh Juice Original is your solution. With over 100 5-star reviews, this portable blender makes fresh smoothies and juices anytime, anywhere, no more skipping meals or fast food. Plus, enjoy free shipping. Ready to boost your nutrition on the go? Check the link in the description and grab yours now. Tip 1. First, focus on maintaining a brisk pace. This is key because it increases your heart rate, helping you burn more calories and target fat, especially in the belly area. Tip 2. Next, engage your core as you walk. Tightening your abdominal muscles during your walk not only strengthens your core but also enhances fat burning around your midsection. Incorporating this into your routine can help you achieve a flatter stomach more effectively. Product mention. Are you facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues? Strength Training for Seniors offers 45 easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in the description. Tip 3. The third tip is to incorporate interval walking. Many people underestimate this, but it's crucial for accelerating fat loss. Alternate between fast walking and a slower pace. This variation shocks your body, improving calorie burn and fat loss. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more easy and effective workout routines. Your support helps keep this content going. To recap, today we covered how maintaining a brisk pace, engaging your core, and adding interval walking can help you lose belly fat with just a 15-minute daily routine. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each one of you who takes the time to tune in. Are you looking to boost your fitness? The Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below.